This is the ultimate Python showdown, and today we're going to look at sort, which is a built-in method in Python, and sorted, which is a built-in function. Let's say there is a list of numbers you want to sort. You're wondering if you should go with the sort method or the sorted function. Let's look at how each of the methods behave. Sort method is invoked on the list object itself that you want to sort, and it sorts the list in place. That means the original list itself is modified. Whereas sorted is a standalone function that sorts the given list and returns a new sorted list. The original list is unmodified. So both essentially sort the list, but wait, sorted is way more powerful than that. It can sort any iterable object such as lists, tuples, strings, dict, etc. But sort belongs only to the list. It can even sort based on conditions. Let's say I want to sort this list of fruits based on their lengths. I can pass the len function to the key parameter. This way you can customize how your data is sorted. When sorting a list, sort is more memory efficient and faster when compared to sorted because it sorts the list in place. But when it comes to operations on different types of iterables and being able to customize how you want to sort it, sorted clearly stands out. So decide for yourself who the winner is.
Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe and look forward to more videos like these.